Yay! We got our visa. Even if it's very expensive. 50 USD, it's really expensive. But it's colorful.
Ganda.
Yeah, maganda. Ganda ng visa niya. So when you enter the terminal, go to the left side. So we're getting our mobile data. Medium speed.
Active high speed.
Thank you. Is it okay now? Do we need? Thank you. Do we need to activate something in here? Or?
Disactivate. This is working. Check this.
Passengers are requested to proceed to check-in counters on the ground floor.
We landed and now we're in a taxi and we're going to Mountain Resort Supara Chunkorchak. That's 49 kilometers away from here. It's kind of far. It's 2 hours and 30 minutes. Finally here in our first hotel and we paid 7,000 soms for one night for 2 people. You know, one of the cabins here in the forest. So this is how it looks like.
Pala.
Ang asim na ang alat na ang... Diba? Nakatin ka ka, girl! Parang Baguio lang.
It says that the difficulty is just above average, but it's not. Little Red, how are you, Little Red Riding Hood? The view is already amazing. There are rivers all the way, waterfalls. Just look at this. So halfway ang first stop. Ay, palong-palong naman ang blush on. Hindi talaga nag-blush on para huminto sa gitna.
Yung coach niya nang gigigil na dito.
Mukhang coach yung itsura.
So na lang tayo na. Okay na
na
to. Halfway na. Accomplish na.
development kami dito sa Kiss-Kiss. Nakakabinaba eh. Giving.
Para sa lahat naman, given.
Perfect. Giving. Ang lala.
Masarap.
Ah.
So, this is called manti. Ano sinabi ko kanina, dumplings? No? Manti pala. Manti. Yung kasi ang cute eh.
Sarap. Ang sarap niya, panalo. Lahat ng pagkain nito.